All right, guys, we got a 2019 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack by a huge fan of ours that comments almost on every video, and I think you guys all know him. I'll let him introduce himself and tell you guys who he is in a second, okay? But he brought his car in. He just moved from Las Vegas to Nashville, Tennessee. So welcome to Tennessee. So he said we're gonna do a video of his car for him. It's already done. It was done in Denver for him. In Denver? Denver, yeah. Denver. So this is Denver's work. It's a really nice job. They did a really nice job on it. So it's got stock converters there, a Chaos X-Pipe custom right there, and then CARVEN TRs. No, CARVEN Rs, sorry. CARVEN Rs there and there. Still got the valves on it, there and there. And then he did a rear muffler delete there, or resonator delete, rear resonator delete there and there. And then had some CARVEN 5-inch tips put on, bolt-on tips. Really clean, just a clean car all the way around, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna let him introduce himself for you guys. This is Ryan, the one that comments with open manifolds on everything.
Open manifolds, yeah. Hopefully everybody caught on to the joke by now.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not finished.
Cool seeing the legendary Exhaust Addicts stopping by here.
Hell
so
yeah, we appreciate him stopping in, man. We really do.
Definitely cool.
And what's the name of your channel if you guys want to follow his channel?
It's just under my name. It's nothing. Yeah, it's
say it.
Ryan.
What is it?
Just it's my name, Ryan.
Ryan.
So, yeah, nothing. I don't do much on there.
You're gonna have to. So make sure you guys go to his channel, subscribe, and comment on any video he's got. More content.
Yeah.
Okay, and then he'll start posting more content. We appreciate him coming in and bringing his vehicle. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. That sounds good. Your sound decibels. Go ahead. Rev it higher. Rev it again. What's 13? Not bad. Go ahead and back it up. It's got it nice and lowered. How many inches is it lowered?
12. I think it's an inch and a half.
Perfect stance though, man. Yeah. Does it rub at all or anything?
No, nothing. Rides nice.
Nice. Go ahead. That's really nice. It's just clean sound. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. I think he needs to have open manifolds. Don't you guys agree? He needs to have open manifolds. Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack. Ryan in the flesh. He's gonna bring it back when he has open manifolds. Anyways, this is just a joke, guys. Look at that. That's sexy car. Have a good one. Yeah, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. We appreciate them coming by.